Hi everybody, in this video I am going to demonstrate to you a ACL reconstruction remnant preservation technique. This is a 19-year-old boy who had a fall while playing basketball 4 weeks before. He presented to us with knee instability. The MRI demonstrated a high-grade partial ACL tear with few fibers intact. Arthroscopy revealed the patellofemoral tracking was normal, the PCL was intact, and you could see that the ACL was torn with few fibers of the ACL was intact. We made the tibial tunnel with serial reaming, diameters 4.5, 7 and the last which was 9 millimeters. This reaming is taken very slowly and the fibers are kept intact. The femoral entry point is marked with a awl, after which a guide wire is passed and then again reaming is performed, initially with the 4.5 mm and then with a 9 mm reamer, which is the final size of our graft. Utmost care is taken while reaming to avoid injury to the remnant of the ACL. This is very important because we want to preserve the biology. We want to preserve whatever the fibers are intact and whatever joint proprioception can be given through them. After this, the shuttling of the suture loop is done and a 6-fold hamstring graft of diameter 9 is passed with an adjustable loop. Here we could maintain the complete fibers which were there before. If necessary, you can take a smaller diameter graft as well, and you may or may not use the suture tape. Here you can see the graft being passed and the intact fibers around it. We check for the stability and then cycling is done so as to remove any laxity which may be present in the graft. You can see here there is no impingement and the graft is completely stable and rock solid. In the post-op period, we start the patient on 25% weight bearing and increase the weight bearing to 50%, and in 6 weeks the patient is full weight bearing without any support. You can see in this video there is full range of motion and the patient returned to all activities. Thank you for watching this video.